In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a high beam light bulb in headlights on a 2002 Buick LeSabre Limited. So this is the driver's side high beam light bulb that we're looking at changing. You're going to go in here, and it's actually really easy. You don't have to take any bolts off. You just reach in here, this thing right here, you twist that like this. There's little pins in there that come loose, and that's how you take the bulb out. Now it's still attached to the wires, so you just lift that up and it'll pop right off. It just pulls out this whole L-shaped assembly right here. And when you buy the bulb at a parts store, you just tell them you need a bulb for a 2002 Buick LeSabre Limited, and they'll have a variety of options, different brightnesses and qualities, ranging anywhere between upper teens, $20 to about $30-some. So that's all there is to it. To put it back in, you slip it down into that hole and twist it in. Some little teeth that have to line up just so with the holes that are in there. I'll show you that real quick. So as you can see, that these two are a little bit wider than that one, and so that one has to go up. So it pops in and then twists this way, and that's all there is to it.